Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to figure out if companies are really as shiny as they seem on the outside. Today we have a bit of a well. Let's just say it is a report that might make you raise an eyebrow or two if you look closely enough. Let's dive into a filing from Taitron Components Incorporated. Now, this isn't your typical blockbuster report filled with explosive growth or dramatic shifts. Instead, it is a much more steady affair which, in the world of corporate filings, can sometimes be more interesting than a roller coaster. What this filing really highlights is a company sticking to its game plan, especially when it comes to rewarding its shareholders. The main story here, folks, is all about dividends. Taitron Components Incorporated's board of directors decided on the 31st of October 2025 to authorize a quarterly cash dividend. This means they are giving a little bit of the company's earnings directly back to the people who own shares, which are the stockholders. The amount decided upon, it is $0.035 per S-share for both Class A and Class B common stock. So if you own shares, you'll get this amount for every share you hold. They've also laid out the timeline. The money will actually land in accounts on the 26th of November, but you had to be a stockholder by the 14th of November, meaning you needed to own the shares by that date to be eligible to receive this payment. It's important to note these dates because owning the stock on the record date is key to getting paid. This isn't a one-off event though. The company has a stated dividend policy. They are aiming to pay out $0.14 per S-share over the entire year, broken down into those $0.035 quarterly payments. On an annual basis, this policy aims to provide a steady return to shareholders. Think of it as a predictable income stream from your investment if you hold these shares. Now, here is where a bit of caution comes in. While they have a policy, it's not set in stone forever. The board of directors has the final say. They will keep reviewing if this dividend policy is still the best move for the company and its owners. This means they can change it, and importantly, they spell it out very clearly. This is the crucial part of that caution. They can suspend or cancel the dividend payments entirely if they feel it is necessary. This gives the board flexibility to react to changing business conditions or strategic needs. It is a standard clause. But it's good to be aware that promises of future dividends can always be altered by the management and board. Looking at the company's structure, we see their class of common stock is traded under the ticker symbol TAIT on the Nasdaq Capital Market. This is the main avenue for investors to buy and sell shares of Taitron Components Incorporated. It is good to know where the company plays in the market. Now, every company has to put in these safe harbor statements. Basically, they are telling you that if they say something about the future, like, we expect to grow next year, that's not a guarantee. It is their best guess at the time, and real results could be very different. They are protected by these legal statements from being sued if their predictions don't come true. It's their way of saying, we're optimistic, but things happen. As for what's attached to this report, we have the press release itself, Exhibit 99.1. This is the official announcement of the dividend, and then there is Exhibit 104, the cover page interactive data file, which is formatted for computers to read and understand these filings more easily, which is great for us analyzing them. And finally, we come to the signatures. This report is officially signed off by Stuart Wang, the Chief Executive Officer and President of Taitron Components Incorporated. His signature on the 31st of October 2025 confirms that the information presented in this filing is accurate to the best of his knowledge and the company's understanding. So, what is the big picture here with Taitron Components Incorporated? Well, it's not a story of rapid expansion or massive financial upheaval. Instead, it's a company that appears focused on providing a consistent, albeit modest, return to its shareholders through dividends. They are sticking to a clear policy, which is generally positive for investor confidence, showing financial stability and a commitment to returning value. However, the embedded caveat that the dividend policy can be suspended or cancelled at any time means investors should not rely solely on this dividend for income. It's a point of stability, but with a clear reminder that the company's board always has the ultimate say. This approach can be seen as responsible, prioritizing the company's long-term health over potentially unsustainable payouts. The key takeaway is that Taitron Components Incorporated is currently operating with a predictable model. It offers a small, regular income stream to its investors, and its management seems dedicated to maintaining that steady approach. While there aren't any dramatic financial gymnastics to report here, this filing essentially tells us that for its shareholders, it is business as usual, with a clear focus on shareholder returns within a prudent framework. Alright, that is our quick decode of this Taitron Components Incorporated filing. What's your take on this steady dividend strategy? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate explorations. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. And well, see you in the next video.